In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your left panel app menus in QuickBooks Online. Customizing your left panel is a quick way to keep your most used apps right at your fingertips, so you spend less time hunting and more time getting work done. Let's walk through it together from start to finish. First, open QuickBooks Online and sign in to your company account. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand panel. This is your main navigation area. You'll see items like Create, Bookmarks, Home, Feed, Reports, and All Apps. That list is what we're about to tailor to fit the way you work. Right next to that menu, select Customize. This opens the Customize Your App Menus dialog. Think of this window as your control center. At the top, you'll see which apps are currently pinned to the top of your menu. Below that, you'll see the full list of available apps you can add or reorder. To pin an app to your top menu, find it in the list and click. Add to pinned favorites. This moves it to the top section so it's always easy to reach. If you change your mind or want to declutter, click. Remove from pinned favorites next to any app in the pinned section. Don't worry, removing it from pinned favorites doesn't uninstall anything. It just moves the app back into the regular list. To refine the order of your pinned apps, use the drag handle with the 3 horizontal lines next to each app. Click and hold that handle, then drag the app up or down to the exact spot you prefer. Place the most important items at the top so they're the first things you see. If you prefer the keyboard, you can do all of this without a mouse. Use the arrow keys to navigate through the list. Press the spacebar to select an app for dragging. Then, while it's selected, use the arrow keys again to move it into the position you want. This is especially helpful if you want precise placement or are working without a trackpad or mouse. When you're done arranging, press Escape or click Close. Your changes are saved automatically, and your left panel will immediately reflect the new layout. Take a moment to glance at the panel and confirm everything is pinned and ordered the way you like. If something doesn't feel right, you can jump back into Customize and tweak it anytime. A helpful tip is to keep your pinned list focused on the apps you use daily so the panel stays clean and efficient. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.